Let me ask you something real quick. Do you ever wake up tired even after sleeping? Not tired in your body, tired in your head. Because deep down, you already know what tomorrow looks like. Same job, same bills, same stress, same I'll fix my money later. Most people think this is normal. It's not. And today, I want to show you one simple rule that almost nobody follows, and it's the reason most people end up working until 60, even when they don't want to. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't lose financially because they're lazy. They lose because they're reactive. Money comes in, money goes out. Whatever's left, they survive on that. No plan, no system, no control. Just vibes and stress. I lived like that too, and it feels normal until one small problem hits. A medical bill, a car repair, a job delay, and suddenly your whole life is on fire. So what's the rule? It's simple. Pay your future first, not your lifestyle. Before food upgrades, before subscriptions, before new phones, before comfort, your future gets paid first, not what's left over. Most people do the opposite. That one mistake changes everything. Think about it. If saving or investing only happens when something is left, then most months, nothing is left. Lifestyle expands, expenses grow, stress follows. But when future you gets paid first, your whole behavior changes. You stop spending blindly. You start choosing. And that's where freedom starts. Let me show you. Two people, same salary. Let's call them Ali and Sarah. Ali spends first. Rent, food, online shopping, random stuff, subscriptions he forgot about. At the end of the month, bro, next month I'll save. He never does. Sarah does it differently. The day her salary comes in, she moves 10% out to savings, to investments, to emergency fund. She pretends it doesn't exist. Same salary, very different future. One builds options, one builds stress. Here's where it gets dangerous. When people don't pay themselves first, they fall into the overdraft trap. One small mistake to negative balance to fees, fees to more stress, stress to bad decisions. Then come credit cards, then loans, then just this once. And suddenly, you're working to fix the past, not build the future. That's how people lose 10, 15, 20 years, not in one big mistake, but in tiny ignored rules. Loans feel helpful until they become heavy. Monthly payments become your boss. You stop choosing jobs you love. You choose jobs that pay bills. That's not freedom. That's survival. And survival is expensive. Interest eats your time. Stress eats your focus. And dreams quietly shrink. So how do you use this rule in real life? No motivation speech. No fake hustle. Just simple steps. Step 1, choose a small number. Not 50%, not something crazy. Start with 5% or 10%. Even 2% is powerful. The habit matters more than the amount. Step 2, automate it. The day your money comes in, move it. Don't think, don't negotiate with yourself. Future you already decided. Step 3, build 3 buckets. Emergency money, long-term savings or investment, skills or income growth. This protects you from panic decisions. Step 4, lower lifestyle pressure. You don't need to live poor. You just need to live intentionally. Big difference. Here's the part nobody talks about. This rule doesn't just change your bank balance. It changes how you see yourself. You stop feeling trapped. You stop feeling late. You stop feeling behind. You become someone who prepares, someone who plans, someone who doesn't panic when life happens. That confidence is worth more than money. So let's recap. Most people work until 60 because they spend first, save later, and later never comes. The rule is simple. Pay your future first. Start tonight. Open your banking app, pick a number, move it. That's it. One small move, one quiet decision, and months from now, You'll be glad you did. We're not trying to be rich overnight. We're trying to be free eventually. Let's build that together.